What's up guys, Gasper here, and for today's video I'm going to show you a tutorial on how you could build your own Gundam. Alright, so for this video we are going to use this awesome kit called the Heavy Arms Custom. Alright, so it's made by Supernova and it's really an awesome kit. But we are not going to build the whole Gundam. I'm just going to show you on how you could build like a part of it. Alright, so that you could have like a gist on how you could build your own Gundam. So, enough with the chit chat, let's go to the tutorial. Alright, for this tutorial, you will be needing the manual, alright, the file. Sorry, it's really not, there we go. But I'll be using a nail file for this. It's not really recommendable to use a nail file, but I recommend you to buy the file for the Gundam. Alright, it is smoother and it has a nice finish to it, because using a nail file will damage the paint of the Gundam. And also you will be needing a Gundam cutter. Alright, there are a lot of Gundam cutters out there. You could buy them, or in this case I'll be using a wire cutter because it's the same and it's cheaper. You could buy it in your like daily hardware, or like in any hardware you can find. Alright, and of course your runners. There, the runners. So I'll be showing you what runners you need, what to do, and stuff like that. Alright, so let's get building. Alright, so this is how you build. So, alright, right now we are going to do the accessory of the heavy arms. So we'll be doing the double Gatling guns. So what you need is you need to open the page, of course, to where you need to build. Like for example here, as you can see, there. It indicates you also how many you need. Like for example, you need to build 4. There you go, you need to build 4 of these. You can see there. There's the instructions. The runners you're going to need is here. It corresponds with the letter. Alright, K, D, G2. Right? And this is the step by step. So it'll be easy if you do it step by step than doing it like you have to skip. Alright, so for this we'll be needing but before that, a lot of manuals from the kits indicate here at the top portion the runners that you'll be needing. But here on Supernova, they don't indicate what kit you'll be needing. So that's like a little bummer, because you'll continuously look into all of your runners before you get building. But here we'll be needing K, D, G2, and let's see, what else do we need? G1. Over there it says there G1. There. So you will be needing those runners. Alright, so I've already done the runners, and I'm sorry the video was cut, but this is already a part I've made. I didn't notice that the video is already done. Alright, so this is the part I've already built from the runners. Right, so I'll be showing you how you could do that later on in the video. Okay, so just hold on. Alright, so since I've done this part, I'm going to show you how you could cut the parts from the runners and how you could connect it. Alright, so first you need to relay on the manual what part you need. So for this we need K1, 2 K1s, and then K3. So you have to look at the runners. Where was K1? Or where is K1? So this is K1. Yeah. This is K1 right here. Then K3. This is K3. So we'll be needing those. Alright, so this is how you cut your Gundam. Be careful to cut Be careful when cutting your Gundam. You might not want to cut like unnecessary parts, so you'll be needing those. And also be careful on cutting, especially the small parts, because they might get lost. Alright. And we're getting K8. I think that'll be this one. Right here, K8. So now we're going to connect all of them. So first, we need the K1 to connect on the K3. Oh, I'm only needing the long parts here. Or do I? Oh, I didn't need this. Okay, almost cut it. Alright, so I do it. Right. Just connect it like that. And connect this one. So. One more down. Okay. So it's necessary also to have glue. In my case, I'm using a shoe glue since it's cheaper and it's easier to find here in the Philippines. And yeah, it is cheaper than Mighty Bond. Okay. Now look for places you need to file. For example, here, file it a little bit. Alright, and that's done. So we're done with the first and the second part. Now moving on, continuing. Just continue building until you finish your final product. But it's fun actually. For me, relieves my stress. Stress of everything. Stress of life. I'm just doing speed building right now. And G27. Alright, so this is almost a finished product of the Gatling gun. So I have the base. Oh, I need to. Where's this? Iba naman. So that's how you build your own Gundam. I'm sorry that it's not really perfect. This is just a speedrun video. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed today's video, and as always, I hope you enjoy. Bye!